exhibit over there. Look at that. And it's actually turning. Alright, we're heading to the water gallery. Here we go. Oh, wow. Mm-hmm.
Blue whale.
Oh, this is a big blue whale. Wow. It's huge. And it just keeps going. And we have some cute beluga whales.
Right there, that is starfish.
You want to touch the starfish, Gabe?
You're scared.
And look, there's some sea urchins over there.
There's some mussels.
That's a red sea.
Yeah.
But I'm not a wonder. Just gonna go.
I'm definitely not touching that. I'm
Clams.
definitely not touching that sea urchin.
Hi, how are you? Well, rinse our hands.
Yeah.
All right, so these are living animals. We don't want to hurt them, and we're not going to play with them. So we just want to touch them to see what they feel like. That's it. So you can touch the beautiful mottled bat star there. Just feel like this with 2 fingers. There's the scallop and the triton snail, which is hanging out on top of the scallop. And if you're very careful, you can gently put 1 finger between the spikes of the urchin, and it'll go like this on your finger. But it doesn't hurt. So if it go mad.
Are you going to do it, Gabe?
You're scared
I'm
now?
gonna do it.
Oh,
Okay.
it's amazing. You'll love it. Okay. So go
So
ahead.
in between, it's kind of hard to see.
That's okay. Just go between the spikes and stay there for a second. Don't move. Feel a little squeeze?
No, not at all.
No, not at all. Okay, maybe you didn't put your finger in the right spot.
Or it's cold.
Yeah, it is very cold. This is the ocean temperature. See, this is what you do. See my finger? You just stay there for a minute. It gives you a little squeeze.
Because I didn't wash my hands.
Oh, look at the pretty starfish. What are these?
We can touch
What? It is. I'm not sure. Oh, look, there's a hermit crab. There's a thing.
Are those poisonous?
No, but they're very crabby.
Hello.
English?
Yes.
So, that's the white spotted anemone right there.
Yes, it is.
That is
Bloody
just.
blazes is that?
Oh, it's right there.
Oh, it's the California sea cucumber.
Yes. Right on.
Do they attack at all?
Sorry?
Do they bite?
Oh, not at all. Sea cucumbers are very vulnerable animals. They actually, they have those spikes kind of scare us. All the species don't have the spikes like those, but their body is mostly water. So really, the spikes are just a visual effect to scare other animals and us as humans. But they're so vulnerable. When you touch with your finger, because the body is mostly water, your finger will go through them. It's like jello or water balloon.
Oh, wow.
So really, those animals are very quiet. They won't do actually, and they're scavenger hunters.
Yeah.
So they eat the poop, whatever is left.
Okay.
They clean the tank. So they will never harm you in any way. Yes. We actually used to have them touch, but we stopped because they're so vulnerable. If you press a little bit too much,
Yeah.
your fingers will.
Okay. Look at the anemone. It's moving.
Your finger will go through. Like, you can press in their body. They're not hard at all. They're so soft.
These are real.
These are moon jellyfish.
They're moving. They're real.
Yeah, so these are called moon jellies.
Guys, there's literally a leprechaun thing. There's a leprechaun.
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
There's a clover on the back. Are they actually real?
Yeah, these are actually real jellyfish. This is a real tank.
Can I touch you?
No, you can't.
It'll
Because
shock you.
they sting you.
What? Oh.
All these little tentacles are stingers.
I want to tell you something. It actually has a clover. I could even try.
What did you find, Abby?
Stop.
Just this, please.
Yeah, look, it's actually a fish tank. Look at the fish.
Hello.
Oh, the fish was looking at you, wasn't it?
Oh, it's a catfish.
Oh, it is.
Maman nous attend là. Les amis, t'as vu les oiseaux? Regarde les oiseaux.
Yes, I saw the turtle, yeah. Look, so if you hit these buttons on the walls, you'll hear the sounds of the birds.
Can you spot a snake in the ground?
Mosquito. This is what a mosquito.
Listen quietly, you can hear it. Oh, what about the Canadian toad? What about the northern silver? Keep going up. What this? You hear it? It sounds like a mosquito.
Oh, listen to this.
A common garter snake?
Mom, remember when Mom?
Almost stepped on one on the trail? Yes, I
And
remember
also, I
that.
remember that I spotted one of these too.
Ugh.
It was about that size, too.
Yeah.
I
Look at the
also,
little salamanders.
I also spotted one of these in one of our trail rocks. You remember that?
Yeah.
What's underneath it?
Oh,
A leech?
okay.
Rock
Leech-
bass?
Leech can kill you. Like if there's like 5 minutes,
If you get a lot of them on you, probably.
it can kill you in like 5 minutes. Or
This is like 2 sizes, there's like 2 to 3 sizes times bigger than what they actually are.
That's not true.
no, it is because
American medicinal leech even says on it, magnified 2 to 3 times. Cadflies?
Oh my god, that thing's new.
Yeah.
It's padfly and
Horse frogs? And
turtle a little bit.
You found turtle? You did find a turtle. Look at that.
It looks like Koopa.
It does. Oh, it's so cute. Is it just the one, or is there a friend?
babiscate. Something that can dive to really deep depths.
What's at the top of
It's
nothing?
nothing.
Look, you can see little things over there.
What does this do? We're actually like able to twist stuff.
You can go into a space thing. How cool is that?
Come on, Gabe. Gabriel, we're going to let somebody else have a turn, okay? Thank you.
Oh,
Wait your turn, sweetheart.
it's okay. He'll.
I found a large spider crab. That type of thing.
We're not going together, right? We're still in the water one, okay? Uh-oh. No, you put our boots on.
So So apparently this big whalebone was found in Newfoundland 1975.
Oh no, I want to touch that.
Oh, that's a big.
And this is the end of the water exhibit. Now we're heading to the earth exhibit. Oh, it's beautiful stones.
Australia.
This is sedimentary rock.
This one's really pretty. Gabe, you know how you were asking about the galaxy? Look, this is a picture of the galaxy. Or the Milky Way.
I already know what the heck the galaxy looks like. I have it at the back. Ooh. Here's Score.
Yeah, that's right.
Wait, should we fuel these lamps?
Keep going. You're gonna cause an earthquake. Keep going. You're almost there. Now it should show a tsunami. Whoa, Abby, look what you did.
Can I try?
Oh, wow. Mm-hmm.
Let me try.
And let your brother try.
There's actually a cube in there?
And we're going in a little cave.
Oh my goodness. Did you guys spot the bats?
Where's the box?
We gotta find this.
Where did it say the box was?
Cool.
I see some.
Where?
Right there. Oh. Hello. Wow. Hi.
Did you see the bats, Abby? Did you see them? What is that there? Is that a bat? No. Oh, there they are. Right up there.
Ashley.
This is a bunch of like different crystals and stones.
I hate
Sapphirite, rosalite, rhodocite. Beautiful. The tourmaline. Beautiful. Oh, what are you gonna do this time, Abby? Oh, you caused a volcano eruption. Okay. And this is the end of the Earth exhibit. So we're now up on the 5th floor, and I just want to give you a view. Yeah, so we're pretty high up. But this building is very beautiful. And out here, they actually have the moon. Alright, so now we're heading to what's called Canada Goose Arctic Gallery. Oh, that's cool.
Yes, the actual blocks of ice. That is actually ice.
So this is actually ice. And I want to touch it. Oh yeah, that is ice.
It's actually ice field.
I know, it's nice and cold. It's so hot in this building, so that's a nice treat.
I didn't really want to lick it.
No, don't lick it, it's so dirty. Oh, look how colorful it is in here. Are we going in here first, Gabe? Northern Voices? Which way are we going? You want to go this way? No? In here? Okay, let's go in here. Gabriel, Gabe, we're going this? Yeah, we'll look at it after.
And different birds that are found in the We got hares. In winter and summer coats.
Oh, look at the bunnies.
It's
cute.
It's two different birds. Arctic fox in winter and summer.
Oh, the one in the winter is beautiful. Another beautiful owl. Oh, look at the cute seal. I see penguins. I think I see penguins. I think. I could be wrong.
There's no
Oh, they're so cute.
guys.
Yeah, I don't think they're not penguins.
Yeah, I wish so.
Wow, these are actually real. It's a real tank.
Starfish.
Yeah.
What is that called again? Yeah, no. In a blue.
I want to feel the different furs. What kind is that one?
Caribou.
Caribou.
Arctic fox and ringed seal.
And this one is the Arctic fox.
That's caribou.
And then the seal.
This is Arctic fox.
Polar bears.
Here we have the volcano
Arctic
lines.
circle.
Here we have the volcano lines.
Mm-hmm.
Then the volcano lines spreading.
So this is Finland, Norway. This is Russia, and this is like. Finland.
And you've lost him. He left.
I'm not interested in that.
Okay. Looks like.
Did you see that TV right there? This girl doing it.
Oh, she's doing a cultural dance.
Where is
I'm
she
not
anyway?
sure what it's called.
报一听，进来能听，这这这能听到，过来。
往那翻过就这样。
你们先听听，在这能
你在
听到。
里边喊，你看好小心嘛，哈，威廉，威廉，你还站着喊，你过来。
Okay.
Okay, and this is the end of. Can't remember what this exhibit was called. The Canada Goose and Arctic exhibit. And now we are heading over to the Planet Ice, which is a new exhibit. So this is our first time going to see this as well. And here we are at Planet Ice.
Wherever you step.
So why is ice important to our planet? I guess we are about to find out.
Yes, Dad.
Look at the woolly mammoth.
They're trying to bring back the
That's so cool.
They're trying to bring them back.
They're trying to bring them back.
The scientists are trying to bring back the woolly mammoth. we've seen it. All the stuff.
Oh, I reckon.
What is that big bowl thing?
You see this with the big teeth?
That's the one in it.
It is,
Saber-toothed tiger.
yes, from Ice Age.
Then we
The
have
movie.
a giant beaver. We have
Kind of like, what's this?
I want to try. Let go.
Sure, go ahead.
We come up and make this one.
Raisins here.
Oh, they're all like cardboard cutouts. So you can stand there and it's just like Frozen from the movie.
Use two hands, Nate. Here. See the evolution?
Wow, when you shake your hands like that, it makes pictures on the walls. Look at this.
What was this? Get pushing me away.
Oh, that's so cute. Oh, you could do it over there too. Abby's doing it on the wall. Oh, that's so neat that the kids can interact like that.
What is that?
So this is like the woolly mammoth, which is like part of the elephant family, and then this is like an African elephant. So this is muscle and fat and then skin of the elephant, and then this is the woolly mammoth. This is fat to keep them warm. Like look how thick their skin is, and then look at the layer of fat, and then their muscle.
This is easy to feel.
This is for warmth right here. Oh, Gabe. Wow, look at you, Gabe. Your face is warm.
Look at my hair.
Yeah.
Mom's hair is
If you
purple.
stand back far enough, I don't even need to hold you up.
Mom's hair is cool too.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Look.
What's your idea of winter fun?
Oh, the magnets.
Hey, you can move them around.
The bike. This bike goes right up the guy's fence. This guy doesn't skate on his leg. He skates upside down. on
Gabriel.
the side. This guy doesn't that. He does it.
Did you want to see Ice Road Truckers?
No, wait. This guy's throwing the puck in the air.
Look at this over here.
Oh yeah, there's a snowboard challenge.
Look, you want to go into an ice fishing shed? We're in the ice fishing hut.
Yeah, so that's a hole in the ice. There's fish that go through
Can I touch this?
It's not actually cooking, Abby. It's just the sound effect. It's supposed to be fish.
Great family time.
What do
Oh,
we
look,
do?
there's a fish.
What do we do?
You're supposed to fish.
How do we fish? We have nothing to fish.
Well, you would take a rod, and then you drop it through the hole in the ice,
This isn't working.
and then you pull the fish out.
Gabe, that bucket in the scoop, it was to scoop out slush from the hole.
Yep.
So do we just sit here and watch the fish come back?
Yeah.
Basically.
Isn't that cool? And it's nice and toasty in here.
I'm slapping the ground with that.
Oh, what is this?
Wait, there's civilization underneath this place. Underneath the
So it says, as ice melts and water levels rise, what lands could be lost?
all of these.
A lot.
Look, this was lost civilization from a long time ago.
It's underwater now.
Wait, New York is actually making its way underneath the water?
No,
Yeah, it is.
it's not.
This place
Venice is.
Venice has always been sinking.
Yeah.
is
Well, I don't know if it's sinking or if the water's rising, but.
No, the ground is so soft. It's so
Oh,
soft.
okay. So it says, with less cold and ice, what adaptations will we need in the future? As the planet warms, Western Canada is expected to see a 50% increase in fire weather, days dry, windy conditions that allow fires to start and spread.
what adaptation?
Eastern Canada is expected to see a 200% to 300% increase in such days. That's terrifying.
What? What's terrifying?
And the polar bears could potentially become extinct if all the ice melts.
See it over here?
I survived.
That is pretty cool, isn't it?
You dirty. I survived underwater.
And that's the end of the Arctic exhibit. So Gabriel, did you enjoy the museum today? And that was our day at the Nature Museum here in Ottawa. Isn't that beautiful stained glass? We highly recommend it, don't we guys? Yes, it was beautiful.
Oh.